Oops, okay, sorry about the delay. Welcome to part two. So I think I'd got as far as here in part one, and the tattoo on the skin. I wanted to say something about the tone that he's making this explanation, if you like, this criticism of society for ignoring and misunderstanding these people in this ironic, not sort of, I've got to find the words for it. It's not quite angry way, more ironic way. So the tattoo makes up red, white, and blue, which is part of the skinhead image, if you like, the Union Jack, with the fact that the skin is so white, sunless white. So he goes from there. When next he sees United lose the match with his bothers on, with his Doc Martens to us, in our brand-obsessed society. Anyway, his bother boots on, scarf tied round his wrists, that's typical. That's what people do, apparently. His rash Newcastle rules will start to itch. So he's had Newcastle rules tattooed on him, and now Newcastle United lose a match. So the tattoo feels a bit annoying. So he'll go and do some aerosoling, some graffiti. He'll aerosol the walls, then go get pissed. And apparently, when you have a tattoo, it does give you a kind of blood blistery sort of scabs, I should say, rash, and it does scratch a bit, itch a bit at the beginning. So, anyway, you could take that as some form of humour, I take it. So, not a laugh out loud one, though. So I hope the true love on your arm... Do I need to move this up? I do. So I hope the true love on your arm stays true. The mother on your chest stays loved, not hated. But I hope for jobs for all of you. So if you had a job and something worthwhile to do and something that gives you dignity and respect, you wouldn't be hiding behind this masculinity and behind this sort of skinhead stroke football team supporters way of life. It would give you more. So you're pinning everything on this football team, and it's going to easily get relegated. I think I've got to the end of the sentence. So beginning to put it down to unemployment and the impact of unemployment on these people. Okay, I'm just going to start a new video for part two. So there's your first 16-line sonnet, looking pretty close up, and then the second bit is more social causes. See you in a minute.